This is no ordinary tripod. It's actually the brand new MT-68 quick release Flex from Ulanzi. The good folks over there sent this out to me early for review, and after some time with it, here are my honest thoughts. A similar idea to other Gorilla Pods out there, but this one boasts the capability of supporting bigger and heavier cameras. It can handle a 3-kilogram load capacity, and that is a little over 6.5 pounds. Naturally, I had to test this out myself, so I mounted my 5D with a 70 to 200 attached, and this thing surprisingly held up well. That said, you probably wouldn't need to mount this kind of a setup to a tripod like this, but hey. The legs on this are where the Flex title comes in. They bend in every which way imaginable, including making a full U-turn. You can wrap the legs around a fence, upside down on a pole, hanging off the side of a car door handle. Quick note, I don't really recommend or endorse the car thing. Don't do that. You get it though, this thing can basically set up anywhere. The quick release system is also a really nice touch. It's got a lock here that keeps it from ever disconnecting when you don't want it to, but popping off the camera is as simple as flipping a switch and squeezing the sides. The ball mount head is also a great feature, so you can position your camera wherever you need it to go. It also disconnects, so you can move it to, say, a smaller slider or another form of support if you need to. All in all, I'd say this is a pretty slick tool. The build quality is nice and sturdy, it feels solid in your hand, and it just looks sleek. It retails for just under $50, so it's a pretty good bang for the buck, I would say, and something I'd give a solid thumbs up to.